you guys want that recorded, so that would work out pretty nice. You guys could review that if you want. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, everybody. Bullish Bears Kevin here with another live stream for you guys. Today we are doing some ES and NQ. Hope everybody's doing well on YouTube side, on Bullish Bears side. It is Friday. Hope you guys had a nice green trading week. I know I only traded like 2 days this week. No, give me 1 sec. I just gotta close some stuff out on my trading view. Alright, there we go. And I was working on a video for you guys on how to set up stop losses on TradingView and on TradingView, not Trade08. Yo, what's going on, YouTube? What is up? What is up? Nice selling pressure right here. Probably going to break this 15-minute demand zone, right? So the question is, are we going to hold below it for the retest and push lower? And maybe we'll go for this sell side liquidity. Let's see. Are we going to break below, pull back, use this 15-minute demand zone as an entry as a supply zone, and target the sell side liquidity right here, right? So that would look like this. Waiting for our entry. We have our stop loss pretty tight. So it's something I would potentially be looking for. This is the new New York session. I just want to throw NQ on here real quick before the market opens, just so I could see what I just clicked. What just happened? Just want to see where NQ's highs and lows, different session highs and lows are. Mark that sell side real quick. Alright, yeah, sell side liquidity, buy side liquidity, pretty far on these indices at the moment. A little sell side liquidity right there on the on NQ. Alright, there's market open. There's ES below. It just wicked off of this supply demand zone, so let's see if sellers do want to hold it. Push to the downside. Target to the downside on ES is 50.13. That's crazy. ES up in the 5,000s, guys. I do want to see that push lower. We got that wick on this candle for our entry to go short. Stop loss would be at the top of the demand zone because now we're flipping this demand into supply. Staying patient on this candle, though. I'm personally not in any trades because the market did just open. I'm not a fan of trading right off the open like that. I am waiting for some NQ long positions to load up over here. We have our weighted indice. Look, remember that? I said it was going to open like over here. It's going to come down to this 30-minute, hold, you know, grab that liquidity and hold. So I'm really looking for some long positions on the NASDAQ right now. I want us to sweep this sell side right here. So I'm staying in this. I'm being patient. I want shorts below the sell side liquidity. I want a quick move off of either this is a 15-minute demand zone, but it's only a 3-point zone, and a fair value gap right beneath that. So I really want a strong move, quick move, trap some sellers down here. I'll go long down here while we're wicking, and we'll have our stop loss set and all that. But we will see too, because remember, now if we're grabbing some longs down here, I want to see that bit of a pushback first, because I also don't want to be going long when sellers are clearly trying to push us lower. So with the weighted indice holding at this support zone 2, again, we are going to be looking for some long positions on the NASDAQ with appropriate buying pressure. I'm going to see if Bookmap still has, TOS still has NQ Bookmap, which it does. Let's go, guys. NQ Bookmap on Amazon, on TOS. So I want to see that buying pressure when we get to that level. Alright, there's that sell side liquidity level. We're hitting it. I want us below that. I want us below that. $209 left in this 5 minute. There's no reason to rush into any trades. We're just staying calm and patient right now. We have our entry for our longs. Patience is key. You know, if you want to scalp, you could scalp, but I'm not a fan of that. I'm personally going to be patient on this. I know where I want my entry, right? Now, if the market develops and 5 minutes goes by, 10 minutes goes by, and we start seeing something different, right? Then I might change my approach on the market. I might say, okay, well, instead of waiting to hit over here, the market looks like this candle had a lot of buying volume. It closed as a small bar up here, long lower wick. That's a lot of buying pressure. I might then go long here, stop loss somewhere near the bottom of this candle, and we'll let that play out. But again, we're being patient, right? This candle hasn't closed yet, so my plan remains. Let me know if you guys want to look at Bookmap. Let me know what you guys want to look at. Time and sales, level 2, all that. CVD in the red right now. Could always change how you look at things. Bookmap is really useful. Anybody who has TOS in here, Thinkorswim, call their help desk. Tell them you want to set up the Bookmap trial. They'll link the quote-unquote trial to your account. But again, that trial does not expire. They give you free indices. At the moment, it is NQ and Amazon. Before it was like ES and Tesla or YM and Google, so they're always changing it. Thanks, Schwab. It used to be when it was, what was it, TD Ameritrade, it used to just be like ES, Apple, and Microsoft. Yo, that's how it was for a while. That was clean. Apple, ES, and Microsoft. Alright, trade plan stays the same. I'm not rushing into long positions. We're under VWAP. We had that ES pullback, right? So again, also didn't take any ES shorts. I'd consider an ES short here, maybe stop at VWAP. But 2-to-1 risk reward, ES, I'm not the biggest fan of that setup. I'm going to stay patient. I'm going to tell you guys, the worst thing that happens if you stay too patient in the market is you don't get in a trade. And you can't lose money if you don't get in a trade. You can't make money if you don't get in a trade. But if you're staying out of that trade, it's usually for a reason, right? You're not comfortable with it. You don't think it has high probability. So stay out of it. There's no reason to rush into it. See that? Look at that. NQ pushing back lower. All these people going, oh, look how bearish this is. Look how bearish this is. I want this area. I want to go long. And I'm going to start the position. Again, it's just a starter position. I will add to it. So there's that sell side liquidity. Give me one more push lower. One more drop. Remember, could always wait for this candle to close, then start the order. I might... Let's see if we get one more push. Come on, bears. Oh, where's my TOS? Get Bookmap back going, right? Look at Bookmap, the selling pressure. So it looks like 17,875 is a strong level. So I might look to enter around 1875. Alright, so there's that demand zone. I'm going to throw out some buy or... Oh, there we go. Alright, I'm starting my long position right there, guys. Fair value gap, I'm in it. 2 NQ contracts. Let's trap some shorts. Quick 7-point move right there if anybody would take profit. Quick scalp. But we're staying in this. Want this to hold. Stop loss is down here. I'm respecting that stop loss. This is a 4-to-1. Looking at a 4-to-1 risk reward based off of the entry. Oh, I actually entered lower. I'm looking at a 5-1 at the moment. If y'all got in a bit higher, probably looking at more of a 4-1. But we're just, again, staying in this 2 minutes in this 5 minute. 15 minutes got some time on it too. Really want to see us push back higher. We are taking this fair value gap. I have been noticing, though, a lot of times these fair value gaps work better for scalps, and then we end up continuing through them. So I'm staying patient. I'm in these longs, respecting my stop loss. If we push down a bit, that's okay. If we push back up, I'm just staying in it. We got a minute 50 left in this 5 minute. Patience is key. Sellers are pretty strong right now. I want to find, where's that book map? There we go. Let's see. This now is 17.877 is a strong area. There's a lot of buying pressure right there. Look at this heavy level. It's pushing higher, pushing higher. We want to see that. We want to see these bubbles get larger. The larger the bubbles, that's the stronger the volume. Let's minimum size this for 4. See how that looks. What about 5, 6, 10? Nah, see, I want it to be fast enough that I could tell when volume is steady. So we'll do like 4, because it is the NASDAQ. Alright, we're pushing back into the fair value gap. Again, I was saying these fair value gaps tend to work a lot better for scalps. But let's see if we want to push back higher. We got 30 seconds left on the 5 minute. I want to see what equities are doing. And what's the weighted index doing? Look, weighted index is trying to push green. That's a hint to me that we want to go green. Microsoft's green. Meta's selling off. Tesla new high a day. Nvidia pretty green. Staying in these longs. Look at that entry, guys. Look at that bottom tick entry if we do want to reverse from there. Let's see. I like those wicks. I like that rejection. I like the area. So far, it's following my plan. Considering adding right here. But I'm going to stay patient. Guys, give me 1 sec. I just got to grab this call. Hey, I'm working right now. Can I call you back in a little bit? Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not on for today. They're pushing it back. Yeah, no problem for sure. All right, bye bye. All right. I'm back. Yo, again, one of the greatest parts of trading. Go about your day. You can do things, not worry. We might push below this previous 5. I don't know if we will. I do really want to see buyers push above this 17,895 level. 890 really, but 895 would really be ideal, like right there. Gotta remember too though, ES sort of trying to use this demand as supply right now, so that's got some resistance in it as well. So I'm staying patient on this trade. I am following my NASDAQ plan. The weighted indice does still look like it's trying to push green, which is also a confirmation of the bulls. I'm just staying patient. I have my stop loss below the fair value gap. I know what I'm risking. I know what my reward is. That's it. That's how every trade should be. Every trade shouldn't be emotional. No trade should be emotional. Should be a robot. Beep boop boop. Beep boop boop. Beep boop boop. Longs. Beep boop boop. Stop loss here. Beep boop, risking this much. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, no joke. Trading is a business. It's our business. We have to take it seriously, and we just have to execute. We're in charge of ourselves. Look at this nice big buying bubble. Let's see if we want to continue that. I said I wanted to see that break of the 9.5, but now look, they moved all those orders up. So let's see. 2:30 left in this 5 minute. My entry point, yo, guys, my entry on this, literally That's pretty crazy. 17,876. 876. So again, if we do reverse, if we reverse here, it's always an if, right? Because the market still has not made its move back higher. I got in on these wicks right over here. 7675, literally right there. So again, if we want to push back higher, big if, big if. Bears have been pretty strong. Thing that's keeping me bullish is the weighted indice, and Bookmap is trying. Could tell that buyers are trying to bring us higher, but we're in this range right now. So I'm staying patient. Minute 40 left. I was also looking at the 15-minute time frame. So 15-minute, if this 5-minute wants to push back higher, can create a potential 15-minute demand zone, which again would call for a nice 30-40-minute trend to the upside. There we go, ES. I like that ES move. Really want to see the NASDAQ pull that off too. Microsoft's Meta made a new low day. Microsoft new high a day. Weighted indices a lot more green than red at the moment. Look at that push on Microsoft. Look at Meta's catching some bids. Let's go, let's go. Tesla new high a day as well. Really need these indices to start pushing together. Good morning, everybody. What is up? What's up? Yo, let's go longs. We're still in the longs, guys. We're in some NASDAQ long positions right now. Want to see us break above that 895 and hold. I want to see us break above this 895, and I want to see this red level print below us at 895. All right, there's 896. That's above the 895 level I was looking for. All right, 20 points right there. Staying in this trade, we're looking for 64 points on this trade. Fantastic entry. A lot of sellers trapped right now on the sell side liquidity. A demand zone was broken. More liquidity grabbed. Fair value gap. Had a lot of unfilled orders there that got hit. So I want that push higher, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. That's right. Let's get a NASDAQ. Good stuff, good stuff. We're staying in it. We're staying patient. Hope you guys are in some longs with me. This ES play did not play out right. I didn't take that trade. I didn't have the confirmation. I'm still in these NASDAQ longs. I want to see a push higher. Weighted indices been pushing higher. Where is our book map? Look at Bookmap. Let's look what I wanted before, right? That 895, I wanted that to be the red print. Now that's a heavy level for support. So again, I do like this for the longs to continue here. Let's see. There we go. Good buying pressure. Good buying pressure, guys. Really good stuff. Great trade today. Talk about a one and done. I was telling myself last night, I was like, all right, if I could take just one trade, what would it be? Well, it would be a sell side liquidity, a fair value gap, a demand, these extra confirmations. There's that pullback. Love it, love it, love it. Hold up, hold up. I gotta look for a place to re-enter now. Not re-enter. Add. Where's the weighted indice? I'm gonna add there. Just one contract. So now I'm in 3 NQ longs right now. Added right here. It moved my stop loss up a little bit. It moved my entry up a little bit. Moved my entry to about here. Why'd I add? Because now this winner's starting to win. I can move my stop loss up. And on the 15-minute, guys, look at that 15. That looks clean. Really want to see us above that level right there. There we go. Come on, buyers. Let's go, buyers. Let's go. Weighted indices pulling back a bit. Definitely considering scaling out of a contract, but I just added. So I do want to try to let this winner run, especially if that 15 wants to trend. But we are at VWAP right now, so be careful. Expect some pullback. Really want to see those buyers step in heavy again. But just blast us right through would be dope. Engulfing candle on the last 5-minute candle. Nice. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Huge. Huge, 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 huge. That 920 now, 97, this 915, 917. Stop hunting away up here. A little 5-minute fair value gap that we're about to enter right there. So that could be like, you know, a TP1, but I'm just staying in these guys. Buyers are nice right now. We've been making all-time highs. Bulls have been in control. I don't know why I wouldn't stay in this trade from my entry point at least. You know what I'm saying? And again, based off that 15-minute time frame, I really do want to see continuation to the upside. We have 11 minutes for this 15 minute to close. Weighted indice is pulling back. Sort of makes me want to scale out right here. But I'm going to just wait because that's super clean. Super fly. We're rejecting this 5-minute fair value gap again. That would have been a good place for like a TP1. But again, I do think bulls want to continue here. And I do want to let a winner run. Let's look at the daily real quick. Yeah, we're not going short here. We're not exiting here either. We're going to go all the way up. Let's see. I'm debating. You know what it is? We're keep having that pullback, but we got 10 seconds left in this 5-minute. Definitely not the biggest fan of how this candle's starting to form. There we go. Yeah, I don't like that weighted indices pulling back now, so I'm probably going to look to scale out of at least one. Really want to let that 15 close, but it does look like we're running into some resistance right here. Gotta think 2 could always re-enter. But I'm staying right now. I'm holding. I'm holding. Everything in between is noise. I'm holding. VIX is sort of chopping around right now. No clear direction with that. Where's our book map? Heavy level 915, 912 now. Want to see us blast through that. CVD, remember, it was negative 1600 before. Now it's negative 400. Weighted indice back, pushing green again. Love that. Love that. Let's go. Love it. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Some selling pressure stepping in. There we go. Come on, buyers. Come on, buyers. Let's give us that push. Let's run. Run it up, run it up. Oh, they keep getting batted down. Be careful with that because, again, we're in this 5-minute fair value gap. We're rejecting a 5-minute fair value gap, I should say. Microsoft's about to make a new high a day, though. Tesla did make a new high a day. I'm staying in these long positions. I'm looking for a big win on this, guys. Looking for a big win. Bang or bust. I like where ES is holding right now. That's a key level. 50-20. Key psychological level right there. Showed the community that one earlier. Oh, let's see if it holds, though. 240 left in this 5-minute. Plenty of the time for the market to do whatever it wants. Tesla selling off. Not a fan of that. Really need that weighted indice to push back higher. It's struggling, though. But let's see if we want to make like a lower high or something. I still like that 15 minute. And we got 2 more 5 minutes to close before we close on the 15. So staying patient, guys. Need the next 5 minutes to close above this trend line right here, this 17,909. Because that next 5 minute will close. It shows where the next 15 minute closes. This 15 minute closes. Some pullback, nothing to be scared of at the moment. A lot of indices are weak right now. Staying in it. Waiting. Grabbing a little liquidity below previous candles low on the 5 minute on NASDAQ. Breaking below that key level on ES. VIX trying to push higher. A lot of weakness in equities right now. Nvidia new high a day, Tesla new high a day, then sold off. Same with Microsoft's failing to get back to that new high a day. Really need buyers to step in this next minute 20. This next, really 6 minutes 20 seconds. Because again, I'm looking for this 15 minute to give me that continuation. If we don't get that, we'll probably just get a break-even trade out of this. But I love a nice move higher. I mean, imagine we even went for buy-side liquidity up here. That'd be 90 points. This market, that's not that unheard of. It might take a while to get there, but I wouldn't be surprised. There we go. ES, I like that ES. Let's check the book map. A lot of buying pressure. 909, perfect. Want to see us above 909. Want to see this level print at 909 as support. There we go, bulls. That's it, baby. See that, guys? I'm watching this trade. I'm talking it out. I'm talking it with you guys. I'm explaining the trade. And I'm not getting scared whenever we pull back. I'm being patient. And what happens when you're patient and not scared and stop out or move your stop or don't listen to your target? You're going to get out of trades and leave a lot of money on the table. What the hell was that noise? Oh. There we go, buyers. There we go. Again, really need us to close above here on the NASDAQ. Let's go. Yo, if we could get a big rally candle on this 5, that would be fire. That would be really great. That would be so great. So great. We did take out, we had a bit of a 15-minute fair value gap, so that's a little worrisome. A little, nothing crazy, so I'm cool, we're chilling. There we go, baby. That's the way, I trade it, Easy sauce. Easy sauce. We're looking at 35 points at the moment on NASDAQ if we took profits up here. I'm staying patient. Could at least target right here, you know what I'm saying? Some liquidity sitting right here, but I want that 15 minutes to continue, guys. I want a trend. Boom. Holy cow. 40 points. Crossing 40 points in the money on this long position, guys. Let me show you guys what I'm chilling on. So you know I ain't BSing. But we're just chilling right now. Chilling. I'll scale out of a contract right here. Will I though? Will I really? Really don't know if I want to. This is just too nice. I want that weighted indice new high a day. That's what I want. Ooh, is that CVD? Is that green? Oh, it pushed green? Alright, guys. Alright. I don't know, guys. We're holding. What a winner. Yo, what a Friday, guys. I hope you guys ate with me this morning so far. We're just pushing, guys. Holy moly. Come on, let's go. part of me is like, yo, dip out of this. That was a great move, huge trade. Even if I took profit here, risk reward wise, that's a 5-to-1 risk to reward. Would be able to take 3 losers, 4 losers in a row, and still be in profit. That's how I see it. That's how you got to see it when we're trading. But I'm holding this again based off that 15-minute time frame. Look at that 15. Really needed to close up here. 2 minutes till it closes. Holy cow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. We are chilling. We're chilling on this, guys. All these people that got caught up in the shorts. Fueling this move up. That's crazy, man. That is crazy. Minute 30 left. Would like to see VIX push lower. Yeah. Just chilling. Oh, whoa, okay. Okay. Alright. Okay. Damn. Alright, I'm gonna be smart with this, right? And I'm going to... I don't know. Part of me is like being smart would trim one. Another part of me is like being smart would hold them all. Because again, that 15-minute, guys, closes in like 2 minutes. In a minute now. And we're already this high. We might just, again, keep pushing. That's crazy. Yo. That's nuts, guys. That's crazy. Yo, again, we're chilling in this right now. That is nice. I gotta get out of just one, lock in some profit there. On the next push up, I'm gonna sell out of one. How's our book map looking? Oh, maybe not? We'll see. Yeah, I'm still gonna try to get out of one. That was crazy. Give me one more big push. Nah, I ain't getting out of one. Forget that. Holy cow. Yo, I do think we might want that 17972. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Alright, I gotta get out of one right there. I'm out of one contract, guys. I'm holding 2 right now. This has been amazing. Wow, what a trade. Holy cow. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Run it up. Damn. What a Friday, guys. Discord, guys, did you guys... Please tell me some of you guys are in some longs with me right now. Holy cow. Yo, give me another pop. Let's get another pop going. I just want to get out of this trade. Give me another pop. That's crazy, man. That's actually crazy. Yeah, I mean, I gotta get out of this because, yeah, this thing's gonna pull back like crazy. Holy cow. That's wild. I'm gonna sell one more, like get out of one more contract. I'm gonna try to get out up here. Gotta remember too, we have a 5-minute fair value gap if we close, depending on this current 5-minute closes. So I might even look to add, to be honest. That's crazy, dude. That's absolutely bonkers. Yo, what a great day, guys. Catch that on YouTube. YouTube, guys, the video is not going to be recorded. Well, it is recorded, but for Discord only, because Discord, the only way you guys will be able to view the video is if you hit the link in the Discord community, because I'm going to be putting it on unlisted, so you can only get the replays if you're part of the community. 2:53 left in this 5-minute. What nice pullback. I might not exit at all, actually. Because now at this point, this is just a pullback. Ain't nobody dope as me. I'm just so fresh, so clean. Nice, dude. Nice. Again, what a Friday. What a Friday indeed. Microsoft new high a day. Nvidia holding VWAP. I want Tesla new high a day. That would be nice. Nvidia holding VWAP would be great. Need to see some buying pressure. Sellers keep trying, but could be people just taking profit. Remember, we just pumped up like how many points? Oh wait. Like 48 points. From our entry, at least 48 points. Holy cow. That's mad. Minute 35 left in the 5 minute. This trade was taken based off the 15. I do not plan on stopping out until my take profit. Which means we could pull back. That's okay. That is a-okay. Because the bulls are on our side. And look who's been winning the trend lately. The bulls. So guess who I'm not trading against? The bulls. I'd like to see some good volume come in to help us push back higher. Without that, we're probably going to push back down to VWAP. If that's the case, I'm going to be just looking for an area to enter another contract. Like if we create this fair value gap right here on the 5 minute, like right there, guess what? I'm just going to get long off of it. Create another long position, right? Let's go. Boom. Bop. Bam. 4-1. But I'm going to be patient. I ain't going to be crazy like that. 10 seconds left in this 5 minute. How are the stocks doing? How are the stonks doing? Stonk man. I like that Apple pullback. Nvidia off VWAP. Tesla close to its high a day. Again, I do think we might push back, tap in here, and then maybe push back out. Go and continue. That's what I would like to see. But what I would like to see versus what's going to happen does not always line up, right? So we're not going to force any trades. I'm not going to grab any more positions here. I'm going to be patient. Just staying patient. Maybe the middle of fair value gap is sometimes a good spot. Yo, Microsoft at, what is that, 417? That's crazy. I feel like I'm looking at SPY price.
Good morning, everyone.
Yo, good morning, Ricardo. What is up? At what level did you enter? Jose, I got in at, and you could check the stream too. I got in down here. Once we broke the sell side liquidity, I got in the fair value gap down here. 2 NQ contracts at 17,876. And then I added up here on this 5 minute candle. And then I just scaled it out of 1 contract up here. Still holding 2 contracts. Boom, look at that fair value gap holding for the longs to continue, guys. I did not add to my contracts. I am still in these, though. Still in 2 contracts. Really great stuff. Great stuff today, guys. Huge. Time is it? 10? Yeah, it's only 10. That's crazy. Part of me does want to take profit once we do push to like around here. Make it a 3K day on my part, but that's why. But we can't be like, oh well, if I get out up here, this is how much I made, because that's ruining your risk to reward. It's ruining your risk management. We have to trade based off of the candles, based off of our trade plan, based off of the time frames, the volume, the levels. Cannot trade based off of, well, if I get in this much, I'll make this much. You can, if you're using your risk management properly. If I get in here, I'm risking this much with this many contracts and I'm targeting up here. Have a proper target, not just a random little scalp, unless that's your goal. Let's go, buyers. Let's go. Oh, book map. Yo, CVD. Crazy green right now. And we've been killing it. Dude, this is wild, man. Wild. Yo, that would have been a great area to add. Holy cow. Yo, I'm loving these fair value gaps along with supply and demand, guys. Like, this is just I'm not gonna say too easy, but it simplifies it. It makes it a lot simpler, easier, gives you good areas to find. Really need these buyers to continue here. That would be wild. And again, I'm looking at the 15-minute time frame. That's what had me long. Was this 15-minute candle? I got into the low of this 15-minute candle because of the 5-minute, because of the sell side liquidity. So we're way up here right now. Pullbacks, they make me laugh. I'm not looking at pullbacks going, oh no, I gotta stop out. No, I got in down here. We're cool up here. We are cool up here. Pullbacks are gonna happen. The market needs pullbacks. That's the first red candle the market had since we started pushing up at 940. So that's okay with me. And we're right back there, guys. Right back there. Holy cow. YouTube, hit that like button, subscribe. This is crazy. This is crazy. Wow. Heavy sell orders right here set at 17,950, 955. I want to see us blow right through that. This 15-minute closes in 6 minutes, so we have 5 minutes now. We have one more 5 minutes to go. Let's go, Bulls. Let's get that continuation. Might chop around a little bit. Again, some sell orders sitting right there. Really want to see us at least take out this high. This 17,951. That would be nice. So, like, I might trim a contract there. But depending how strong we push. I think we fly right through it, to be honest. And then the 15 is going to close somewhere up here, and we're just going to keep trending. Let's go, buyers. But let's see. Let's see. They're hitting a whole lot of sell orders up here. Really need them to continue up. $930 would be a potential floor, which is way down here. So look at the buy orders. When you're using Bookmap, whatever are the heavier looking levels, these big red levels, that's where a lot of passive orders are sitting to be filled. So let's see if we want to hit that and hold. Three minutes on the 15. I'm really being patient on this 5 minute, guys, because I'm waiting for the 15 to close. Green guy on YouTube says, yo man, I just want to say I've heard your love before, and the talk through was really made a difference in my trading. Oh, alright, good stuff, man, good stuff. Yes, sir. Always, I'm here to help. I'm here to help people do better, learn about the market, understand what I'm seeing when I see the market. Oh, seen the live. That makes more sense. Appreciate that, green guy. Absolutely. Yo, you could join the community, bro. I try to post every day like a trade plan or something. Lately, oh, I don't like that volatility that just kicked in. Lately, it's been a little tough with some family matters. Oh, yeah, we might flip green, actually. I don't know. We'll see. Be patient on this. I'm staying in these longs. But, yeah. It's good stuff, good stuff. 2 minutes left in this 5 minute. I want to see if this was a liquidity grab on ES, right? Because we swept some VWAP. We swept previous 5 minute low. Anybody who had stop losses over there stopped out of the market. Really need the 15 though on NQ. I'd like the 15 to continue on NQ. It's having trouble though. Minute 23 left in the 5 minute. Not rushing into anything, not rushing out of anything. We are in the long positions from down here. Scaled out of a contract right here. Still in two NQ long positions from down here. Could have entered on this fair value gap. I mentioned that was a good area for a re-entry. It did give us that. I did not enter more contracts though. Waiting for this. I would love this buy side liquidity to be swept. Again, we have been making higher highs. We have been making higher lows. The market has been bullish. Trend is our friend, guys. Trend is our friend. 47 seconds left on the 5 minute. 47 seconds left on the 15 minute. Want to see the weighted indice push back higher too. Want to see our equities doing well. Where's our book map? Book map still pushing higher. Trying to push higher. 25 seconds left. Some sell orders coming in. Be careful. 18, 20 seconds. 15 seconds. CVD has dropped a bit. Microsoft looks like it does want to continue higher, though. Apple with some weakness. Would like Apple to reverse here. Nvidia near new high today. Tesla looks like it might want to reverse under VWAP. Would be nice. Really want to see where we go from here. I do want buyers to continue us higher. At least, again, I'm probably going to trim a contract at the 17,952 if we get up there. There we go. Some buying pressure. And some selling pressure. And some buying pressure. And no, I'm just kidding. Part of me
Choppy.
yeah, it's definitely a bit choppy up here on the 5 minute. 15 still is a bit bullish, so I'm staying in these long positions. First target 17.51, second target 17.71. But if we just like run right through this level, I'm probably not going to take profit there. I'm probably this right there is probably even a better level. There we go. There we go. Yo, AMD's going crazy right now, guys. AMD, Nvidia, Microsoft, new high days all across the board. Staying in these long positions on NASDAQ, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go, Bulls. Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, man. Blow right through that. AMD's still pushing. Nvidia's still pushing. Getting some pullback. Not a fan of that. Come on, buyers. Take it. Take it, take it. Come on, tech. Come on, tech. Run that tech. Yes, sir. Let's go. Holy cow. I'm going to look to scale out a one contract. Give me one more push. One more push. All right, out of one more contract right there. 4K on the day right now. That's wild, wild day. Keep going, Bulls. Run it up.
Well done.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, this is like a one and done type trade today. Yo, let's go, baby. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get out my full contract there. I only got one contract left. To hold it for 10 more points. Right now, the way I look at it, right, I'm holding one contract left. I could either hold it till I take profit or what, let it come all the way back down here. That's not proper risk management. I sold here. I left $200 on the table. Not gonna make or break the account is my point. But fantastic stuff, guys. Holy cow. That's crazy. Yo, there it is. It's coming up. It's coming up. Yo, Apple pumping, Microsoft new high a day, Nvidia new high a day.
I got out too early.
Dude, that was crazy. Yo, and this fair value gap entry would have been another great entry. 4-to-1 risk reward on that trade. I mean, holy cow, guys. I gotta start going way heavier on these. Cause it's when you're finding the consistency, when you're finding the in yourself and following the market and the market's working and the market sentiment is in your favor and you find that strategy that's working and you're again more consistent, that's when you have to start like adding contracts, right? Like if I'm on a win streak for 3-4 days and I'm saying, okay, I'm starting with one contract, I'm adding another contract as I go. Well, maybe now I'm going to start with two contracts. Or if you're doing NQ, maybe going from 1 to 2 is a little much because you're doubling. So maybe you might want to do micros, right? And instead of doing 10 contracts, you do 15 contracts. So instead of $20 a point, it's $30 a point, right? Because that's an easier way to leverage yourself for your winners, for your losers. Let yourself have bigger winners when the market is in your favor. And yeah, you guys get what I'm saying. When the market's in your favor, you're on a win streak. Let yourself add a little bit to your trades as long as you're staying confident and not cocky. Do not get cocky and arrogant. Oh, yeah, I'm winning. I'm the best. 10 lots. Nah, please don't do that. That is not what I'm saying to do. Just slowly add. Because the thing with slowly adding is if you do take that loss, because you're using your proper risk management, one, you still know how much you're going to lose. Two, it's something you could scale in and out of. It's something you could get lighter and heavier in. So yeah, really great stuff. I mean, told the community to watch for the weighted indice because we were opening above supply to come down, use the supply as demand and push higher. It's exactly what we got. We got the push below the sell side liquidity on the NASDAQ along with this fair value gap holding. That was another confirmation. Fair value gap is one confirmation. Sell side liquidity, two confirmations. That right there I would have took, right? We had a 15-minute supply demand zone, but it was super small. I said there's liquidity still sitting there. We're probably going to take that out. It's another confirmation. Three confirmations. Weighted indice coming down to a supply zone that it gapped over to use it as demand. Third confirmation. Fourth confirmation, I should say. And weighted indice is not something on the NASDAQ. That is something that me and other traders use, but is not that commonly known, right? But again, it's a great form of confirmation. It weighs Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, and Google. These are top stocks in NASDAQ. Top stocks in the ES as well, but not as heavily weighted. I mean, guys, it's 10:20. I'm up 4K for the day. Some people work 50, 60 hours a week for that. It's 10:20. I got on the computer at 9:15. That blows my mind. It will always blow my mind because it's amazing. And it's amazing too because I was in such a lighter size. I started this trade with 2 contracts, 3 NQ contracts, netted $4,000 because of my entry, because of my trade plan, but because of the range of the market, the ATR of the market, right? We had a nice big range. I had my stop losses in place. It was a tight stop loss, far target. Again, just really good stuff all around. Really good stuff. Then the fair value gap with the second entry. I mean, yeah, super clean. Super clean. Go on all day about it. That's crazy. That's really crazy. YouTube guys, don't forget hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. AMD's still pushing higher. AMD's at 174. I remember when AMD was at 110. Yo, I remember, I'll never forget, I was in an Uber in the city, like, it was a year or two ago. Whenever Meta was at like 90 bucks, right? Meta was at 90 bucks. Amazon had the stock split, so it was also at like 90 something bucks. I'm in an Uber, the guy's talking. He's like, oh, what do you do for work? Oh, I trade, do stocks, blah, blah, blah. And, you guys know everybody's reaction when you tell them that. Oh, what should I invest in? What should I buy? I told this guy, I said, dude, Meta at $90 is a steal. This thing was above $300 before. It being at $90 is a joke. Buy it, buy it. And I don't know if he bought it. I don't know if he took what I said seriously, but I'll never forget that. Because that was, again, when Meta was at like $92, $93. I was like, that's a buy. But, you look at, it's a bull market. You could have said buy Nvidia, and Nvidia's up like crazy. I could have said buy Amazon. Amazon was also around the $90 mark. I think it was even near 85 at some point. Now Amazon is at, let's see, I don't have Amazon up here. Amazon's also at 171. I mean, just really great return on investment stock-wise on those. And there's a difference between day trading and just like, not swing trading, because you're not really swing trading when you're buying stock. You're investing. You're buying a stock and you're holding for X amount of time. And investing is completely different from trading. There's no theta when you buy stock. There's no Greeks when you buy stock. Delta, I guess, would be $1 a contract, because one Amazon $1 move is $1. You get what I'm saying? But unless you're buying like an ES contract. But yeah, I don't know. Really good stuff, guys. Really great stuff today. And again, it's only 10:24. And look how choppy ES has been, right? So there's, again, another reason why I'll take NQ over ES most of the time. NQ just moves a lot nicer, and it moved with this weighted indice a lot nicer. What more can I say? YouTube, don't forget to join, like, subscribe. Discord, you guys got any questions? Let me know. Really do hope you guys caught those longs with me. That was really, really a great Friday. Really good stuff. Let's see. Yo, I can't get over my entry too on that, guys. That's 17. Hold up. Hold up. I got it on my phone. Got the notification. Alright. But 17. Where we at? Where we at? Nope, that's when I was trading the other one. NQ. 17.87675. 17.87675. Right, so again, right at these bottom wicks. We caught the bottom on NQ today. How wild is that? How often are you going to say that, Like, how often can you say that? Turned into a 9-to-1 risk to reward based off the entry and moved stop loss. Really great stuff. Really great job today, everybody. Really great job. Oh man, dude, I wonder, we're gonna go hit this buy side up here. That is crazy. 94 points on NQ if we held all those. That is something, man. YouTube, join our community. Catch 90 points of NQ with us. That is wild, dude. Microsoft still new high a day, another new high a day. That's nuts. That's actually crazy. So good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. You know what it is too though? Once you're done like with one of those great trades, unless you're able to be like, all right guys, thanks, bye, and just walk away and go about your day, you sort of just sit here and wait and watch. But yo, that was nuts, man. That was really great. Show me your favorite guru that caught that. That was crazy. I'm gonna move this TP down though, because I'm not gonna lie to you guys on where I got out. Because that was still crazy. Still nuts. I don't think we're gonna get up here. I really like part of me does, because we're closer to up here than we would be anywhere else at the moment, but yeah. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, oh man. Oh, there's Amazon's flying new high day, Amazon new high day, Microsoft. Yeah, we're gonna go up there. Look at that 1 minute. Oh man, that's crazy, dude. Crazy, dude. The reason I didn't think we were gonna go up there is because a lot of people are gonna be looking for either shorts up here or targets up here. So I would think the market would want to pull back before. Um, but yeah, we'll see. We will see. That was a crazy move. Really good stuff. Green guy again. Appreciate you saying that. Very nice. Oh, boom. There's that. That's wild. Alright, don't be chasing any long positions, guys. That's what the market's expecting. We're gonna have a pullback here. People have their take profits there. People have their stops there. We're pulling back. At least. We're at least pulling back before we continue, if we continue. Damn. Damn, man. 10:30. Look at that. Look at that. Really good stuff. Great stuff. Again, could have held that one last contract to that final TP. Am I kicking myself about it? Absolutely not. So we're chilling. Thank you, brother. My first year after 4 years of trading, I'm now consistent. Hey, yo, huge, bro, huge. Big congrats to Green Guy for the consistency. Consistency in the market is very difficult. It's a lot of moving pieces. You have to have good risk management. You have to understand to respect your stop losses. I was working on a video, Amazon new high today. We're just gonna keep running. I was working on a new video this morning. I'll probably work on it later this evening or over the weekend on how to use stop losses on TradingView. And it's a lot of moving pieces when it comes to trading. It's having a proper risk management. It's knowing where you're going to enter your trades, knowing where you're stopping out. What's the probability of these trades? Are you trading with the trend? Are you not? Are you looking for a scalp? Are you looking for what time frame are you watching? What time frame are you analyzing? All these moving pieces, but once these moving pieces, think of them like gears in a cog in a machine, once they start moving and it starts getting smoother, you're able to just recognize it as it goes. Like I'm able to recognize it as I go. I'm able to make a plan up real quick on the fly. I'm able to spot not only levels, but I'm able to spot proper and strong levels quickly. I'm not like, is this a good level? Nah, is this a good? Because I know if I'm second guessing that level, there's a good chance it's not a good level. I know what works for me. I know what has been working for me, and I know what has helped others. So that's what I will continue to do, continue to show, and continue to grow with you guys. Holy crap. That's crazy. That's so crazy. Target's 18,000. 18,000 on the NASDAQ. That is target because it is a key psychological level.
Is that all-time highs on Nasdaq?
We're at all-time highs right now, brother. We're making them right now. Craziness. I wonder if ES is at all-time high. Nope. Oh, divergence. Alright, so here we go, guys. Potential trade setup right here. We have ES is failing to break its previous highs. NASDAQ did break its previous high. NASDAQ has divergence along with this buy-side liquidity level right here. So this is buy-side liquidity, while ES is down so low. So something I would look for is for how this 5-minute will close. If it closes below the buy side liquidity, I'll watch how the next candle opens and wicks and rejects it. If it does reject it, we might have potential for a short position right there. But again, that's if the candle closes accordingly. And we have to really be careful because trend on the NASDAQ has been very bullish. We don't want to short something that's going so parabolic. Amazon, new high today again. So it's like, why would I go short on the NASDAQ when Amazon, Microsoft's are making new high a day? Nvidia's at what the fuck? Nvidia's at $711. What the actual heck, man? Amazon new high a day. Again, all of these things, I'm watching equities as an indicator to trading the NASDAQ, right? So Microsoft's making new high a day. Amazon's making new high a day. I saw Nvidia was just at a new high a day, but it's making these higher lows. It's making these higher highs. Equities are bullish. I don't want to fight that trend. Can you name your confirmations again? Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. So the confirmations on the long trade this morning were, we had sell side liquidity, right, from this previous low. So you see how we have all these pushes higher, we have a wick lower, and then we have these lower, a higher low, a higher low. But this low was sort of sitting alone. You know, you have to imagine there's going to be a lot of people with stop losses at previous pivots, right? So this was a sell side liquidity right here. I do believe it was also a, let's see, it was a session low. Let's see what session it was. It was not a session low. This was just a area that I spotted that I figured, okay, this is a spot that there's going to be a lot of sell orders at. And it also lined up with the previous day's VWAP, right? So that's another bit of an indication that this might be a heavier level for volume. So the sell side liquidity is number one. We had on the 15-minute time frame, we created a small demand zone. Now this demand zone was too small for me to consider it at all a demand zone. However, I did know that because this was the last red candle before we had a push higher, we had leg 1, pullback, leg 2, there are going to be sell orders in this area. There will be liquidity in this area. So that's confirmation 2. Confirmation 3. Now confirmation 3 is where I entered the fair value gap. This fair value gap was on the 30-minute time frame, so I knew that there's a lot of buy orders in here. We have to come retest it, claim those orders, and we might get a push higher from there. So that was confirmation 3, and then confirmation 4 was not on the NASDAQ chart itself. Confirmation 4 was the weighted indice down here gapped above this supply zone. So whenever I have a gap or a move above supply that day, I use that supply as demand. And what did we get? We got exactly that. And that was the 4 confirmations. And I guess fifth confirmation, trend being our friend, bulls have been super strong. I mean, yo, guys, we're gonna get 18,000 on the Nasdaq. That's so crazy, dude. That's that's bonkers, man. That's crazy, man. I love this market. Love it, dude. Love it. Amazon new high today. Amazon just flying right now. You know, if anybody's trading options, Amazon would be a great way to go. Do you expect S? Oh, Jose, I'm just realizing. I don't know if you're still in here. Is he? Yes, he is. I just saw your message. Do you expect S&P 500 hit all new highs today? Um, so obviously, if you asked me this morning, what'd you say at 10:30? By 10:30? Oh, you just said that recently. Oh, good. So I didn't miss it too long ago. Um, I don't see the momentum in ES that I see on Nasdaq. We have divergence. I'd really need to see some volume step into the market. Volume's been sort of declining on this push higher on ES, which is concerning. Microsoft new high a day. Meta selling off. Nvidia new high a day, then sold off from that new high a day. Amazon running right now, guys. Running right now. So yeah, that was the four confirmations. Fifth being trend. Jose, I will ask if you don't mind, instead of typing in the chat thing, the open chat on live stream, just type in the main chat part, because that's where I sort of will. I'll keep the main chat on one of my screens so I can keep an eye on you guys. Let's check out that bookmap, right? Bookmap has been a big help. So bookmap was another confirmation, right? Order flow. Order flow is one of the best forms of confirmation because the market can't hide order flow, right? Especially bookmap, it makes it easier on the eyes. It just shows the big buy bubbles, the big sell bubbles. So it's not as simple as, oh, there's a big red one, let me hit sell. Oh, there's a big green one, let me hit buy. No, but use those along with your confirmations. So really, again, just overall really great trading day, guys. Some divergence again still on ES and NQ. Near level 18,000. What a way to end the Friday, though, guys. Holy moly, holy cow. Wow, wow, wow. So what else we got? What else we got? It does look a little weak right now on NASDAQ. Like we might want to see a pullback. How's that 15 looking? 15-minute might create a fair value gap. From there to there. Fair value gap. Let's check out the 30-minute. What's the 30-minute doing right now? The 30-minute fair value gap. I'd rather mark out the 30 than the 15. Mark these out of the way. Really fantastic job today, everyone. I'm going to be wrapping it up there. That was a really overall great trading day. Great knowledge, great analysis, great trade plan, great trade execution. In the market like today, will you move your TP or get out planned risk reward levels? So Jose, you always want to be getting in and out at your planned risk to reward levels. Depending on your trading strategy, however, you might add contracts, you might scale out of some contracts, and when we do that, what that does is that adjusts and that reclaims and repurposes our entry point. So this morning when I had the entry of two contracts down here at 17,876, when I had those two contracts, but I added up here on this next one at 17,903, that moved my entry point up a little bit. So when it does that, what it's essentially doing is moving my risk to reward. So watch this number right here, 4.95. That's a 4 to almost a 5 to 1 risk to reward, right? So once I move it down and have a tighter stop, I'm going to have a higher risk to reward. So my first entry on this trade was a much higher risk to reward than my second entry on this trade. But then we even had the 5-minute fair value gap that would have given us another 4 to 1 risk to reward trade. These are things we want to be aware of when we're trading. We want to take not only high probability trades, but good 4 to 1, 3 to 1. I would really not go under 3 to 1, especially with how the market has been moving lately. It does give us those opportunities to take trades that if we lose more than we win, we could still be profitable, and that's essential to growing an account stress-free and growing an account with strength and momentum. Hell yeah, T-Pizzle, you know it. You know it. Alex, yes, 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 you got it. Good stuff. Really great stuff today, guys. Super proud of all of you. Make sure you guys journal. If you guys have any questions, please drop them in the questions tab or hit me up directly. And yeah, have a fantastic weekend. Hope your guys' trading went well this week, and I will catch you guys on Monday. Take care. Peace out. YouTube, don't forget, join our community. Hit that like button.